The ultimate guide to Windows 10 Plus. Keyboard shortcut. Desktop. In the early formative years of GUI computing, Windows defined the desktop paradigm. This background space, populated by icons and windows, would come to form a familiar home to millions of users. While Windows 8 moved away from a desktop focus, Windows 10 places it back at the forefront of PC interaction. Again, you can customize wallpapers and decorate with shortcuts, while the traditional taskbar resides below. The Start menu also returns, while seamless integration of the Cortana Voice Assistant and Action Center for notifications also arrives. Rather neatly too, Metro apps now behave more respectfully to the new desktop when launched. Rather than filling the screen completely, such apps are now windowed and resizable to make usage more versatile. Similarly, the new Task View button opens an array of virtual desktops for extending your workspace and improving workflow. Add to this instant access to the new Edge browser and Xbox Live connectivity for delivering unparalleled online performance, and you have a desktop full of powerful features. Cortana is Microsoft's intelligent personal assistant, responding to naturally spoken or typed commands. That identical functionality is now integrated into the desktop, called upon via the taskbar, search bar, or indeed with the Hey Cortana command. Cortana searches your PC for files, folders, or apps and performs tasks like calendar reminders or sending emails. It uses Bing search technology. Start menu out with the new, and in with the old. The Start menu is back. The Windows 10 Start menu allows live tile functionality to be switched off completely, along with unpinning Metro apps such as Mail, Weather, Store, and so on. Alternatively, users can opt to view the Start menu full screen, providing the best of both worlds for those wanting retro or more modern modes of operation. Either way, general customization extends to color settings and a dedicated properties checklist for pinning only the most useful system locations. All in all then, the Start menu is back and better than ever, and we couldn't be more glad. Multiple desktops. As part of Windows 10's renewed emphasis on desktop interaction, users can now spawn multiple instances known as virtual desktops. This essentially allows you to widen your workspace beyond the confines of a single monitor. By clicking the Task View taskbar button, you can view the current desktop list, adding as many as you wish. Open apps and windows can then be dragged and dropped into active desktops or entirely new ones, with handy shortcuts available for organizing and navigating. This ability to dedicate desktops to specific applications should offer significant gains in workflow productivity. Settings. The way users customize and set up device preferences is changing in Windows 10. If you asked veteran Windows users about where to find the most crucial settings for their system, most would say Control Panel. This was always the traditional home for configuring every aspect of the OS, offering several layers of complexity based on how advanced and deep users wanted to go. Control Panel still exists in Windows 10, but it is tucked away in favor of a new Settings app that can be found on the left-hand side of the new Start menu. Offering a more streamlined top-level view, icons relating to system, devices, and network and internet can all be located here. Beyond popular preferences on power management, displays, peripherals, and Wi-Fi, users can then personalize how Windows 10 looks and general accessibility or privacy levels. Designed universally for devices beyond merely the PC, these basic settings can be expanded using the search bar in the top right. Here, more advanced options housed within Control Panel can be queried more rapidly. Conversely, you'll also find common quick actions for popular settings at the bottom of the Action Center Notifications panel. Take some time to explore the Control Panel settings. It can make it much easier to find what you are looking for when you come to change your settings at a later date. Keyboard shortcuts. Read up on your keyboard combinations to unlock faster access among Windows 10's notable new features. Window and Control+D used to open or swap new virtual desktop. Shortcut keys for ease in Windows 10. Window and L. This useful keystroke instantly locks your Windows 10 device on cue when you may wish to leave it unattended. Window and left-right arrow key. Windows 10 allows window snapping vertically or within a 2x2 grid. This combination snaps the current window to the screen left or right. Window and Control+F4 use this shortcut to close the current virtual desktop when working with more than one. Window and I get rapid access to the settings where core setting for your device can be found. Windows and Tab. With this shortcut you can quickly launch the Windows 10 task view for organizing your virtual desktops. Windows +1, 2, 3. Using a number key with the Windows 1 allows you to launch programs pinned to your taskbar. Windows and S use this keystroke to initiate a Cortana search with keyboard selected as input method instead of speech. Windows and A. Remember A for Action Center because this handy little shortcut is used to open your Windows 10 notifications. Alt+Tab. Not a new shortcut for Windows 10 but useful for switching between open windows across all virtual desktops. Alt+F4 when on your Windows 10 desktop. This keystroke opens the power dialog to shut down, restart, sleep or switch user. Window and Control+Left/Right. While working with multiple virtual desktops, alternate arrow keys switch between the previous or next desktop. Control+A. Windows 10 now has shortcuts for the command prompt, enabled via Properties. This combo selects current line text or all text. Window and E use from the desktop to open Windows Explorer and browse your system files rapidly. Alt plus spacebar still working in Windows 10. This old shortcut allows you to minimize, maximize, or close the current active window. Window and D. This shortcut minimizes all windows within the current desktop space. Window and Q. Use this combination instead to initiate a Cortana search with speech input. Window and up/down. This combination will snap the current window to the screen top or bottom. Control plus C. Control plus insert. This pair of shortcuts copies the selected text to the system clipboard. Control plus V. Shift plus insert. Use this pair of command prompt shortcuts to paste the copied text from the clipboard to the cursor. Thank you for watching.